Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't follow in less than 1 minute. So to fix this problem, all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end. So first step you have to do is open the settings on your phone. Go to the settings. Now when you go to the settings you will find many options. Go to the apps manager. Go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps as you can see. Now wait a few seconds. It will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll all the way down until you find Instagram. When you find it, now all what you have to do is click on it like this. This is the app informations page. Now click here on the storage right here. Click on this option to clear all the data and the problems. Click on clear cache also. Go back, click on force stop. And then go to the notifications management and make sure that all those notifications are enabled, especially the support requests one. This one should be enabled. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.